AP Diksha Nistha Online Training Module 12 Portfolio Activity. Select a chapter or unit from science textbook of any class and design a unit plan with activities where children are actively involved in the learning process. Steps to follow to complete the activity. Select a chapter or unit from science textbook from any class. Describe the chapter in terms of key concepts. Write learning objectives. What do you expect the children learn at the end of the chapter? Knowledge, skills, values, attitudes. List the learning resources needed for the class. Design unit plan matching with learning objectives. Plan the activities, individual and group, and arrange them in sequence. Integrate various concerns, gender, art, inclusion, and so on. Plan and design assessment formats needed. Map the lesson with the learning outcomes that can be achieved. Use the template given to complete task. Template to design a chapter or unit plan of science. Topic, class, class size, lesson description, learning objectives, resources or technology, learning experiences designed, intended learning outcomes. Please write your activity in the link shared by your district coordinator in your WhatsApp or Telegram group. AP Diksha Nistha Online Training Module 12 Pedagogy of Science Portfolio English Medium. Teacher's name, cadre, topic, class, class size, lesson name. Lesson name, water. Learning objectives. Children recognize the source and availability of water. Children understand the importance of water. Children explain the process of water cycle. Children draw labeled diagram of water cycle. Children apply learning of scientific concepts in day-to-day life by suggesting ways to cope with heavy rain and drop, etc. etc. Children understand the importance of wastage of water, rainwater harvesting. Resources of technology. 6th class textbook, information from internet, e-books, other standard textbooks. Next, learning experiences designed. Activity 1. Fill this table. Where do you get water from your village or town? Water needs, water source, daily use, drinking use, agricultural use, domestic use. Activity 2. Draw the neat labeled water cycle diagram. Explain 4 main stages included in the water cycle are evaporation, condensation, precipitation, collection and runoff. Intended learning outcomes. Conceptual understanding. Children understand the importance of water. Children understand water cycle complete process. Asking questions and making hypotheses. Children are able to ask questions to understand, to clarify the concept of water cycle process. They are able to make hypotheses on given water cycle process. Experimentation and field investigation. Children are able to do experiments regarding uses of water. Children are able to participate in field investigation on making reports regarding source and availability of water. Information, skills and projects. Children prepare a map of their village showing different water sources. They collect the information on this content from their village people. Communication through drawing and model making. Children are able to explain their conceptual understanding by drawing diagrams and making models of water cycle. Appreciation and values. Children are able to get appreciations from teachers, elders on their activities. They are able to follow constitutional values. Application to daily life and concern to biodiversity. Children are able to utilize scientific ways to face their daily life situations. They are able to show concern towards biodiversity.